This is the right time to change how you think so that you can become rich. Watch this video. Are you struggling to find a way to improve your financial situation and unsure on how to achieve wealth? If you feel lost in achieving prosperity and need guidance, this video is tailor-made for you. By watching this content, you'll gain insight on how to reprogram your mindset and set yourself on the path to financial success. Embrace this opportunity to learn and empower yourself with the knowledge needed to overcome obstacles and work towards a brighter financial future. Before we proceed, we would like to thank all of you Luxo lovers out there for joining us on this journey of personal growth and financial empowerment. Your support means the world to us as we delve into the video's content tailored to assist those seeking ways to improve their financial situation. We encourage you to participate in this community by liking, commenting, and sharing, as your engagement helps us reach and inspire more individuals like you. For more updates, please subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the bell button so you never miss a moment of enriching knowledge. Together, let's pave the way to a brighter and more prosperous future. Let's start by talking about inversion thinking. It's a way of solving problems by looking at them in reverse. Instead of asking, "How can I have a good marriage?" you would ask, "What could destroy a marriage?" Then you do the opposite of those destructive things to build a strong and happy relationship. This approach helps us see problems from a different angle and find creative solutions. By using inversion thinking in our journey to financial success, we can spot potential pitfalls and avoid them proactively. As we continue, we'll learn more about the power of inversion thinking and how it can transform our lives better. Let's talk about its application. Inversion thinking encourages us to look at problems from the opposite perspective. Instead of seeking advice on how to become rich from people who are struggling financially, we realize that this approach may not lead to success. It's essential to seek guidance from those who have achieved financial stability, learning from their experiences and insights. Furthermore, reading plenty of books about financial success without taking action can be counterproductive. Inversion thinking reminds us that to truly progress, we need to implement the knowledge we gain from these sources and put it into practice. Choosing a life partner who discourages our dreams and ambitions can hinder our financial growth. By applying inversion thinking, we understand the importance of selecting a supportive and encouraging partner who can help us achieve our financial goals. Inversion thinking also reminds us of the value of failure as a stepping stone towards improvement. Instead of viewing failure as a reason to quit, we learn from it and use the lessons to make better decisions on our path to financial prosperity. Additionally, an essential aspect of applying inversion thinking to achieve financial success involves accepting the reality that the world can be unfair at times. Instead of blaming external circumstances, we recognize the need to take responsibility for our actions and decisions. Inversion thinking allows us to see beyond the constraints of external factors and concentrate on developing our skills, knowledge, and resourcefulness. We understand that while the world might not always be fair, our response to adversity determines our path towards financial success. One way to not stay poor is by not expecting the government or others to save you. It's crucial to understand that your financial success depends on your efforts and actions. Taking personal responsibility is the key to unlocking your potential and make meaningful progress towards prosperity. By recognizing your role in shaping your financial destiny, you empower yourself to take charge of your future and work towards your goals with determination and focus. Another aspect is valuing your own opinions over others. Success begins when you believe in yourself and have confidence in your abilities. Embrace your unique perspective and trust your judgment when making financial decisions. Relying on your own convictions and seeking advice from trusted mentors can help you stay true to your vision and make choices that align with your aspirations. Moreover, embracing discomforts and taking risks are vital for achieving financial success. Avoiding discomfort and playing it safe might offer temporary comfort, but it often hinders growth and progress. By stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks, you open doors to new opportunities and valuable learning experiences that can propel you towards your financial goals. Furthermore, avoiding mediocrity and holding yourself and others to high standards is crucial. Set ambitious goals and strive for excellence in all you do. Surround yourself with individuals who share a similar commitment to success, as their influence can motivate and support you on your journey. Making and breaking promises, waiting for perfect conditions, and prioritizing looking rich over being rich are also detrimental to financial progress. Consistency, integrity, and decisive action are essential traits to cultivate on your path to success. Procrastinating or seeking superficial displays of wealth can hinder your growth. Having said, taking responsibility, believing in yourself, and embracing discomfort are steps towards achieving financial success. You can break free from the cycle of staying poor and move towards a future of prosperity and abundance. Continuing our discussion, let's explore several ways that can keep one in a state of financial struggle, underscoring the significance of avoiding these behaviors to pave the way towards wealth and success. First behavior is staying poor can result from not working on what matters most. Focusing on trivial or unproductive tasks can divert energy and resources away from essential priorities that drive financial growth. By identifying and prioritizing key objectives, we can channel our efforts towards impactful actions that lead us closer to prosperity. Second behavior is not following through on commitments that hinder progress and erode trust with others. By cultivating a sense of responsibility and accountability, we demonstrate reliability and build positive relationships that can contribute to financial opportunities. Third behavior is doing what everyone else is doing may limit innovation and uniqueness. Fourth behavior is settling your best instead of what is required can lead to stagnation. Striving for excellence and pushing beyond our comfort zone can unlock new potentials and open doors to unforeseen opportunities. Fifth behavior is talking more and doing less can impede progress. Take decisive action and execute plans efficiently are essential for turning ideas into tangible achievements. Moreover, constantly starting new projects without completing them can scatter focus and resources, resulting in a lack of substantial accomplishments. By seeking projects through completion, we gain a sense of achievement and move closer to our financial objectives. Furthermore, believing what others think about you instead of what you think about yourself may lead to self-doubt and a lack of confidence. Embracing self-belief and trusting in our abilities can empower us to pursue our financial aspirations with conviction. Having said, avoiding these behaviors that one keep in a state of financial struggle is paramount on the journey towards wealth and success. By prioritizing essential tasks, honoring commitments, embracing individuality, striving for excellence, taking action, completing projects, believing in oneself, and learning from mistakes, we can transform our financial trajectory and create a pathway towards prosperity. Let's now address the factors that hinder financial success. These include neglecting to acquire skills that others find easily accessible, discontinuing practices that have proven effective, hiring individuals who lack competence, consistently assuming one's own infallibility, and spending more money than one earns. To overcome these, we emphasize the significance of adopting inversion thinking, where the focus shifts towards identifying threats and barriers rather than merely seeking solutions and opportunities. By highlighting these counterproductive strategies, our aim is to encourage viewers to make wiser choices and take necessary steps towards achieving financial stability and success. Lastly, let's explore the idea of reversing the rules that lead to a life of financial struggle and instead using them as guidelines for achieving success. By avoiding common mistakes, seeking advice from prosperous individuals, taking personal responsibility for one's circumstances, and valuing one's personal opinions, one can significantly enhance their likelihood of attaining financial prosperity. And once again, thank you Luxo lovers for joining us in today's insightful video. We hope you found value and wisdom to fuel your journey towards financial success. If you enjoyed this content, please like this video, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and spread the word by sharing it with your friends and family. For more empowering content and to stay updated on our future videos, please subscribe to Luxo-Life. You won't miss out on these latest tips, strategies, and motivation to help you achieve your financial goals. See you in the next one.